How to permanently delete your Wise account. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you ever want to delete your Wise account, then the first thing you have to do is simply log into your Wise account. Once you're in your Wise account, just click on the top right where it says your name, then click on settings in the drop down menu. Once you click on settings, you're going to scroll down, and what you're going to do is you're going to see at the bottom the option of close your account. You're going to click on this option. Then click on continue, and once you click on continue, you're going to choose a reason why you're leaving. So you can define the reason why you're leaving. If it's a different reason, you can select this option. Then you're going to click on close account, or you can explain, so I'm not using my account anymore. Click on close account. Now after that, Wise will ask you, chat with an agent or continue with account closure. So you're going to click on continue with account closure. Now after this is going to be your final warning. So if you want to keep your account open, you can click on the top option, but if you want to continue, just click on continue with closure and your Wise account will be deleted. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.